How to use the FaithStream app. Navigate to and select the FaithStream app on the home screen. You can browse through all the channels using the up and down buttons on the remote. To watch a selected channel, simply press the middle button. At FaithStream, we have over 200 Christian channels at your fingertips. To the right of the channel list, you can see the program guide. To hide or show the program guide on the right, press the menu button on your remote and select Hide or Show EPG. You can also search for your favorite channel quickly. Just press the menu button on your remote, navigate to and select Search Channel. Use the up and down buttons on your remote to start searching for your channel. To select channel layout, press the menu button on your remote. Then navigate down to the View option. Press the middle button to change to a different layout. You can repeat this step to change between 3 different views. To add a channel to favorites, first navigate to the desired channel in the list. Then press the menu button on your remote. Then scroll down and select Add to Favorites. You can repeat this step to add more channels to your favorites list. If you would like to view your favorites list, press the menu button on your remote. Navigate down and select Show Favorites. To see all available channels again, press the menu button on your remote, navigate down and select Show All. You can also switch between channel categories. Use the left and right buttons on the remote to switch between channel categories.